Okay then. Good morning, students. I think we can start with the seminar. Rani, Vio, and Sachi Phobia, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, only both of you. What is the topic?
HIV
HIV
AIDS.
AIDS.
Okay, so who is starting first?
Sachi.
Okay, Sachi, you can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
My name is Sachi Pog.
Please turn on your
Our
video.
topic is HIV/AIDS. Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, yes. ऐसे देखो।
Ma'am, can you see the chart?
Yes, yes, I can see, but it is not that much visible.
Okay. I am discuss about HIV. Introduction of HIV, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus HIV of strain HIV and HIV-2. The flavivirus was discovered in 1983 by Sinosis and colleagues in Paris. Around 6 lakhs children become infected worldwide each year. Almost all is because of the infection derived from the mother. In India, nearly 4 million people are infected with HIV, more than 50% of them. And of them are women and children. What is HIV? HIV is a virus that dangers the immune system, help to body fight of infection, treated HIV infection and kill CD4 cells, which are type of immune cell called T cells. Over time, as HIV kills more CD cells, the body is more likely to get various type of infection and cancer. HIV is transmitted through bodily fluid that include blood, semen, vaginal and rectal fluid, and breast milk. The virus does not spread in air or water and through casual contact. HIV is a lifelong condition and currently there is no cure. Uh, Although many scientists are working to find one, however, with medical care, including treatment called antiretroviral therapy, it's possible to manage HIV and live with the virus for many years. Without treatment, a person with HIV is likely to develop a serious condition called AIDS. At the point the immune system is too weak to fight off their disease and infection. Untreated life expectancy with AIDS it's because 3 years. With antiretroviral therapy, HIV can be well controlled and life expectancy can be nearly the same as someone who has not contracted HIV. This is symbol of a red ribbon. It is the symbol of solidarity of people living with HIV/AIDS. Causes of HIV. HIV variation of that infection Africa chimpanzees. Scientists suspect the same immunodeficiency virus SIV jumped from chimps to human. People consume infection chimpanzees meat. Once inside the human population, the virus matured into what we know now as HIV. This likely occurs as long ago as the 1920s. HIV spread from person to person throughout Africa over the course of decades. Eventually, the virus migrated to other parts of the world. The virus migrated to other parts of the world. Sorry. Scientists first discovered HIV in a human blood symbol in 1959. It's through the HIV has existed in the United States since the 1970s, but it did not start to hit public consequences until the 1980s. Mm, What tests are used to diagnose HIV? Several different types can be used to diagnose HIV. Healthcare providers determine which test is diagnosed. Sorry, it best for each person. Antibody antigen test or a quick HIV test, home access HIV first test system, nucleic acid. And what are the symptoms of HIV? After the first month or so, HIV, the clinical latency stage, this stage can last from a few years to a few decades. Some people don't have any symptoms during the time, while others have mini- minimal of non-specific symptoms that does not pertain to one specific disease or condition. These non-specific symptoms may include headache and other ache and pains, recurrent fever, night sweat, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, weight loss, re- recurrent or oral or vaginal yeast infection, pneumonia. As with the early stage HIV, it's still infection during this time, up, even without symptoms, and can be transmitted to another person. Whoever a person would not know they have HIV unless they get test. If someone has their symptoms and thinks they may have been exposed to HIV, test HIV symptoms at this stage may come and go or they may progress rapidly. This progression can be slow substantially with transmit treatment. With the constant use of this antiretroviral therapy, chronic HIV can last for decades and will likely not develop into AIDS. In trans in treatment was started early enough. Uh, Treatment for HIV. Treatment should begin as soon as possible after a diagnosis of HIV, regardless of viral load. The main treatment for HIV is antiretroviral therapy, a contribution, a community of daily medication that stop the virus from reproducing. This help protect CDR cells, keeping the immune system strong enough to take measure against disease. Antiretroviral therapy help keep HIV from progressing to AIDS. It's also help reduce the risk of transmitted HIV others. When treatment is effective, the viral load will be undetectable. The person still has HIV, but the virus is not visible in test result. However, the virus is still in the body, and if the person stop taking antiretroviral therapy, the viral load will increase again, and the HIV can again start attacking CD4 cells. Thank you. Rani will continue.
Okay, Rani, you can start with your portion, with the rest portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your video.
Ma'am, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rani Vyo. Now I'm gonna discuss about AIDS. Ma'am, this is my chart. Introduction of AIDS. AIDS stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. AIDS is a serious condition that weakens the body immune system, leaving it unable to fight off illness. AIDS is the last stage in a progression of disease resulting from a viral infection known as HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. What is AIDS? AIDS is a disease that can develop in people with HIV. It's the most advanced stage of HIV. But just because a person has HIV doesn't mean AIDS will develop. If AIDS does develop, it means that the immune system is severely compromised, that is weakened to the point where it can no longer carefully respond against most disease and infection. The people living with AIDS vulnerable to a wide range of illness, including pneumonia, tuberculosis, toxoplasmosis, cancer, including Kaposi sarcoma, oral thrush, a fungal condition in the mouth or throat, cytomegalovirus, cryptosporidiosis. Symptoms of AIDS can include recurrent fever, anxiety and depression, chronic fatigue, night sweat, dark spot under the skin or inside the mouth, nose, or eyelids, bumps, lesions, or rashes of the skin, recurrent of chronic diarrhea, rapid weight loss, neurologic problems such as trouble concentrating, memory loss, and confusion. Causes of AIDS. AIDS is caused by HIV. A person can't get AIDS if they have not contracted HIV. To become infected with HIV, infected blood, semen, or vaginal secretion must enter your body. This can happen in several ways. By having sex, you may become infected if you have vaginal, anal, or oral sex with an infected partner whose blood, semen, or vaginal secretions enter your body. What's the connection between AIDS and HIV? To develop AIDS, a person has to have contracted HIV, but having HIV doesn't necessarily mean that someone will develop AIDS. Case of HIV progress to 3 stages. Stage 1, acute stage, the first few weeks after transmission. Stage 2, clinical latency or chronic stage. Stage 3, AIDS. You cannot directly catch AIDS because there is no AIDS test. HIV causes AIDS and it is HIV that can be passed on. Thank you, ma'am.
Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So participants, do you have any question? Participants, if any question is there, you can ask the presenters. Srijana, ask. Mo mobile code. Where is my mobile? Got it? Ask Srijana question.
Ma'am, what is CD4 cells?
CD
CD4 cells.
It's not clear,
CD
Srijana, what you're saying.
Ma'am, what is CD4 cells?
Okay. To whom you're asking?
Ma'am, Sachi.
Atif?
Yes, ma'am. CD4 is a glycoprotein found on the surface of immune cell such as T cell helper cell.
Okay.
It helps in immune response, okay? CD4 cells.
Okay, ma'am.
Others, do you have any question? Others, any more question? Okay. If you don't have question, then Rani View, you can ask. Sachi, you can ask question to the participants. But please turn on your videos. Turn on your video. Do fast, Sachi. Ask questions. I have to take your first aid class
Can you
also,
see
first aid
me?
theory.
Yes, ma'am. Srijana.
Srijana,
Yes, ma'am.
How it is HIV transmitted through bodily fluid?
HIV is transmitted through blood, semen, vaginal and rectal fluids, and breast milk.
correct?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2.
Ma'am Shreyam.
Sriyam,
Yes, ma'am.
ask Sachi. Sachi will ask you one question.
Who discovered the HIV virus?
Barry Sinosi and his colleagues.
Yeah,
Correct?
thank you. Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay. Third question.
Kajal.
Kajal. Kajal is absent. Ask somebody else. Huh?
Sakani.
Sakani.
Yes.
What are the non-specific symptoms of HIV virus?
Pardon?
What are the non-specific symptoms of HIV virus?
Non-specific symptom.
Yes.
And I forgot.
Do you know or not?
Malaise. Fever, malaise. And
What is the
Can
answer,
you repeat
Sachi?
again? diarrhea, pneumonia, nausea.
LAIS.
Okay. Okay. Okay, got it, Sakani?
I can hear.
Okay. Rani, you can ask any 3 questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Turn on your video.
Ma'am, I will ask to Yatulika.
Yatulika. Yatulika,
Yes, ma'am.
ask
Ma'am,
Rani.
can you say some few points of symptoms of AIDS?
Symptoms. Recurrently fever, anxiety and depression, chronic fatigue, and the chronic swollen lymph glands, especially, and the night sweat. Thank you.
That's right.
Is it correct, Rani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ask second question.
Ma'am, can I ask to Sriyam?
Yes, yes. Sriyam,
Yes, ma'am.
uh,
What are the illness in AIDS?
Yeah, pardon?
Illness. What are the illness that includes in AIDS?
what illness symptoms?
Pneumonia,
No, ma'am.
pneumonia, cancer, tuberculosis, etc.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct, Rani?
It's correct, ma'am.
Okay, ask the last question.
Last, Yangbu Jumi.
Yang Bui Jumi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask one.
What is the full form of AIDS?
Acquired immune deficiency syndrome.
Correct?
Yes,
Acquired immuno, not immune. Acquired immuno deficiency
yes.
syndrome. Okay. Okay then, Rani and Sachi. It was a good presentation only. Okay, but some of the things I was not able to listen, maybe because of network issues. It was not clear. And for your exams, it will be of 30 marks. MCQ, all MCQ based questions. Okay, for 30 marks, and you study everything that I have completed. Is it okay?
And it is too so many chapters, I guess.
From PSM, what did we study? Tell me. Unit 1.
I think 2 chapter.
Only 2 chapters you cannot study?
No, I studied only 2 chapters.
In Unit 1, what is there? PSM.
Yes, same.
From the very beginning.
Introduction definitions part first aid. Like that's one.
PSM.
Oh,
Not
sorry.
first aid.
PSM. PSM. Indian medicine.
Hmm.
Indian medicine, like
Evolution of medicine.
yes,
Primary
primitive
health
medicine.
care.
Yes,
And what more are there?
ecology, health,
Ecology of health and
and
health.
this
Dimensions of health. Mortality and morbidity.
spiritual
After-
dimension.
Huh?
Spiritual dimension, emotional dimension, all are
The
there.
dimensions of health.
Dimensions of health.
And after what did we study after that?
This community health, like 2
And
chapters.
community health, what is there?
Nutrition and diet, nutrition and balanced diet, vitamin and the minerals.
Okay. From nutrition and diet, you all study vitamins and minerals. Okay. Before that, whatever is there, you don't need to study. Okay. From nutrition and diet, just study from nutrition and diet, vitamins and minerals. Okay.
Okay.
There are different types of vitamins, A, B, C, D, E, and K. So study these vitamins and minerals. Okay, no need to study proteins, carbohydrates, fats. You don't need to study for now. Okay, but for finals it's required. But for now, you can skip that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you. You all can join after 5 to 10 minutes, okay, for your FA theory.
Okay, ma'am.